Kaseng National People's Party mata kasengi kala je thama ya ken nakit kam kan tup ya president uskat teri bat ya treasurer jong party. Nam taka post president la ya byang do Konrad ke sangma nakam taka post general secretary ya byang do Thomas A sangma obolong ru UMD jong party. Henry la ban kado hang ni ba Thomas A sangma udon kam bugon duma persyai u nama ba udon ti haki kambat bor ya kabala udon ru dekat FIR syaki pulit. Nakalang returning officer wa penya ya kan dika election u Abhishek Keshav kuliah dating ia yo Thomas sangma da bakaong bakani adang ditang kejuk ujor kat ba kajing bishar kampat rai penrem yani noru kabambut ba Thomas sangma omdang ti setia hakan dikajing keno da kawi kari kuntai na po Garo Hills.
Yes, you are. Just briefly answer the I happen to be a lawyer in the Supreme Court and I earn my living by practicing law. And one of the things that I was taught and try to pass on to anybody who comes to my chambers for even training is that a person is not guilty unless the courts find him so. Because if we were to go by charges without going into the merit of the charges or red flag that you are raising, I would humbly submit that every citizen of the country has a right, a constitutional right to stand up for election for a post for which he may be qualified. And Mr. Sangma was amply qualified for the position. So I would not like to comment on something that may be sub judice or which may not be relevant to our election directly.
Actually, the same thing.
Don't you think that?
And very true. But as you know, one size doesn't fit all. And one size doesn't fit even the same person at every point in time in the life cycle of that institution or person. We are a relatively young party. We are a very enthusiastic party. And there is a particular set of individuals led by a particular person who have brought us here in record time. And there is a lot of enthusiastic support for these people. It is, as you must be knowing as journalists, that as parties mature, as parties, organizations become older, there are differences of opinion which need to find expression through the process of ballot, election, and different mechanisms which have a democratic stamp of approval. In our case, we are a very young party being led very effectively by a young leader. Now, I'm sure democracy does not mean opposition for the sake of opposition. We have conducted a very transparent election, and that is not something every and many parties can say. We have followed procedure as laid down in the constitution, literally to the T. We have crossed the T's and dotted the I's. And I assure you that despite the very superficial appearance of not being contested, this is an affirmation in the leadership, the youthful leadership of a youthful party which is trying to find its place in the firmament and growing.
There is a rape charge against